Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I have another new Maybelline product to try out. This here is the Colossal Curl Bounce Mascara. I found so many exciting new Maybelline products when I did my recent new makeup at Walmart haul, which if you haven't seen that yet, that is up here on my YouTube channel, and I got so many exciting new products, and I've been trying out a lot of Maybelline lately, and I love to try out mascaras, especially Maybelline mascaras, and I am always trying to find good curling mascaras. So that is literally what this is supposed to be. It has memory curl formula to activate curl that lasts for hour after hour, and I feel like I can never get my curl to my lashes to actually stay. So I'm very intrigued by that claim. And I got this for about $8, which is not too expensive at all. I got this in the shade Blackest Black. It also comes in like a brown black shade, I believe. Smudge resistant, flake resistant, up to 24 hours. That's another important thing for me when it comes to mascara, because when I put the mascara on my lower lashes and I smile, a lot of times it will smudge when the skin rubs against the lashes. So hopefully with this formula, that will not happen. It's definitely large packaging, not my favorite like aesthetic mascara packaging, but that really doesn't matter too much. What does matter is the wand, which looks promising. It's kind of a big wand, so hopefully it won't be too messy, but it has a slight curve to it, and it's kind of long brush-like bristles. Seems fine. So I did not curl my lashes because I want to see how this does on its own, and I'm just going to jump right in, start applying it to one of my eyes. All right. I don't feel like the wand really grips the lashes, which is something that I like in my mascaras. Is more so with those stubby silicone wands. It really grips each lash, but I mean, this is still dispersing the mascara without any clumps on all of the lashes. That great black color. And another thing I really look for in my mascaras is separation. I don't want the lashes to stick together and clump together, and they are staying really beautifully separated right now. So just this first impression, they're looking really nice and full. A little bit of curl happening, nothing too intense just yet. I'm going to try and push the lashes up too to try and help get that curl, get it to stay in place. But it does just look really good on the lashes. Aside from that, like very full, tiny bit on my eyelid there, but no other mascara getting on my eyelid, which is great. I'm going to dip back in. I don't feel like this wand holds that much product. And before I layer it up more on the top lashes, I'm going to try this on the lower lashes. I actually love when a wand has a little curve to it for the lower lashes. So easy to reach every one of them. Makes them look dark, not clumpy. I am getting a little mascara on the under eye, so I'm just going to let that dry and then hopefully be able to wipe that away easily. But aside from getting a little mascara on the under eye, this looks really nice on the lower lashes because it keeps them very defined, darkens them, and that's really all I need for my lower lashes. As for these top lashes though, I am looking for that curl, that length, that volume. So let's see what I can get as I layer it up. Oh yeah, I mean immediately more volume. I think the lashes are looking pretty lengthened too. Like the mascara sticks really well onto the tips of the lashes as well. You kind of tap at the ends there to make sure they're nicely coated. But wow, this builds up so nicely. that I think 2 coats is all I'm going to need, and the lashes are still staying so separated, which looks so good. The lashes look so full, which is what I was hoping for. Now let's see about that curl. I mean, I kind of see it. This is basically what I can achieve with a lash curler, and I did not use a lash curler today. So there is a bit of curl happening. I mean, I wish my lashes were even more curled, but for me, this is pretty good. And I love that it doesn't take forever to build up the volume, and that you can keep building and building, and the lashes don't stick together. This is awesome. I have to say, this didn't have the best ratings, but I think this is fantastic. This is exactly what I look for in my mascaras. My lashes look so incredibly full. I feel like that should be more so the focus of the claim. Not really the curl, but the separation and definition. Like, that is the best feature of this mascara. It looks like I have such full lashes. Let me show you a zoomed in view. And it feels very lightweight. Let's see. Oh my gosh, yes, it just easily brushes away the little bit of mascara I got in my under eye. Okay, loving this. Let's go ahead and apply it to the other eye. I do feel like I need to give this a proper wear test throughout the day to see if it does smudge on my under eye at all, but I'm really hopeful that it won't, because if it doesn't, this is another fantastic, perfect mascara to add to my collection. I recently tried out that new Revlon So Fierce wide eye mascara, which also blew me away. I was not expecting to find 2 incredible drugstore mascaras in my Walmart haul, but both of these are amazing. So I probably need to take a little break from buying mascaras for a bit, since I have these 2 to get me through for a while. But yeah, this just builds up so beautifully, and the lashes look so long, so full, and that is what I want. I feel like this is a very light formula, which is really good for lifting and curling the lashes. Like, it doesn't go on very heavy or gloopy, but it layers up so well. I just love how my lashes are looking. I always get more mascara on the left eye all over the eyelid than the right eye. So a little bit more that I'm going to have to wipe away on this eye, but it's so easy to just let it dry, dust it off. But look at that! Oh my gosh, that transformed my makeup look. It made my lashes look so doll-like, you know? It really emphasizes the eye, really completes the makeup look, with this being the only eye makeup that I'm wearing. I really love this. I'm surprised this doesn't have more hype, higher ratings, because I really do think this is a perfect mascara. So if you have tried it out, let me know in the comments down below what you think of it. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.